Hey, I'm Suzanne, the Digital Optimist. Welcome to my channel. Today is story time. Do you want to hear about the time that I lost my drone in Italy? I went on a 6-week trip to Europe last summer and I was hiking in the Alps. During the hiking trip on the Alps, I was unable to fly my drone. I actually didn't even bring it. I shipped it to myself from one destination to the last destination because otherwise I would have just had to hike with it. And you may or may not know this, but you're not actually allowed to film. You're not actually allowed to fly a drone almost anywhere in the Alps. Now, I had done some research about where you can fly the drone, and I decided to go flying the drone. It was before sunset. Italy has a lot of these little roads that are windy, and if you've been to Italy, at least in the sort of Alpine Dolomite region, then you'll know what I'm talking about. There's a lot of cliffside villages, and yeah, you've just got housing all over the place. And like, I spend a lot of time wondering how they get roads up there, how they get water up there, like how deep are their wells, where's the water table? I had so many questions about like the history of these regions. Anyway, I'm driving around, I'm on a road, and I'm like, you know what? I saw a pullout. I'm like, I'm gonna fly my drone here. So I get out, I launch the drone. I launch it. I've got reception. I'm allowed to fly the drone. It's not a national park. So I'm flying it. And then, I'm taking photos. And by the way, I'm not the world's most adventurous drone flyer. Like I'm a relatively new pilot. So I'm not trying to do anything fancy. I'm not trying to I'm not doing special effects, not flying behind objects. And at one point I'm flying and the screen goes gray. I decide to figure out where I am. I want to bring the drone back, and I start scanning around the landscape and I can't find myself on the landscape. Now this is because there are roads all over the place, hills all over the place, towns all over the place, and I've got no clue where I am. So I'm like, okay, this isn't good. I was running a little bit low on battery and I'm kind of starting to panic. So I started flying around a little bit. I start looking for landmarks, right? I look for buildings, I'm looking for towns, I'm looking for trees and roads and but there's several roads to choose from and I just don't see where I am. I'm of course you can't see the drone. It's small. It's a Mavic Mini 3 Pro. It's gray. It's like sky colored. So I can't see the drone. Drone can't see me. So now I'm like, oh my God, I don't know what to do. What should I do? I'm like, okay. So then I thought I'd better memorize the landscape. If I'm going to drop this drone and I'm going to have to go find it, I need to figure out what the area looks like so that I can recognize. So I'm looking at, okay, there's a patch of forest here and there's a road here, and I'm trying to visually imprint where I am, and I don't remember if I had the foresight to take a picture of it with my phone. What ended up happening is now I'm running low on batteries and I'm trying to land the drone somewhere where it's retrievable, but I don't want to land the drone in the middle of a forest because it's, I could hit trees and get stuck in trees, and I don't know what time I'm going to be getting there. So I'm starting to run out of batteries. The drone is beeping at me. It's very dramatic. And I'm trying to pay so much attention, and I'm moving the drone. And then that's right. Then the screen starts going gray because now I'm flying behind objects, which makes it even more complicated because I'm where is this drone? I'm on a hillside, but did I fly around a corner? And I pick a field, basically. I pick a field, and it's a road near the highway, but I don't know which highway. When I say highway, I mean a 2-lane road that's winding around. It's a paved road. And I pick somebody's house near the paved road with a forest, a clearing, and a house, and that's as good as I could get. And I was kind of trying to land it, but then I didn't have control over the drone. So what happens when you disconnect the controller from the drone is the whole screen goes gray, and it's very troublesome. and you have no control over the drone. And that's what happened. Now I need to figure out where it is. So then I'm on my phone. Thank God I had reception. Thank God it was light out. I was scouring Google Satellite, okay? I'm looking for the last known spot. Like I'm trying to match the location from the drone controller to the phone. I couldn't do it. I couldn't find it. I'll have to show you where it was. So then I'm like, wait a minute. Like there has to be some way that I can connect. And so I opened the DJI app because I'm like, there has to be a way to see coordinates. So then I go through this whole process of like asking Google and like ChatGPT and how to find out the last known coordinates, kind of like find my iPhone, right? And I found coordinates on the drone itself. So on the controller, there's a way that you can access the coordinates. So I have coordinates, I put them in the map. It was like a 12-minute drive away. So I go there, I park nearby. I have a general region of where the drone is. No idea if it's in a place that's accessible or not. And I parked the car kind of down the street from somebody's driveway. Across the street is kind of like a cliff, but going up, not down. And it's very steep and rocky, but not that long. So I'm trying to scramble up this cliff, and cars could come around the corner, and there's no shoulder, so it's a little bit scary. I get through the brambles on this cliff, and I'm on somebody's driveway, and there in front of me is the drone. And it had fallen, and only one of the arms had collapsed inwards, like normal. I was elated. I cannot describe to you the absolute joy that I had in recovering this drone. It's incredible. I mean, you hear a lot of stories about people losing their drones and like just not getting them back. But I got it back. I got the drone. And so then, of course, I go back to my room. I took myself for pizza. I'm like, this is amazing. I can't believe I found it. So then I got home and I looked at the footage, and it was very difficult to see where I was. Like when I look at the footage now, I see where I went wrong. And I think what happened is I wasn't clear on the elevation that I was at. Like things all kind of looked the same. Like no matter what elevation you're at, the roads look the same. And there's like parallel roads going up the mountain. And that's where I got fooled. And plus it's a new area and I don't know where I am. And I've never been there before. Yeah, I lost it, but I got it back. Lesson learned, right? And thank God that there's that feature with the coordinates. That's the story of losing my drone and getting it back in Italy. Let me know in the comments if you've ever lost a drone and retrieved it or not. Stay optimistic, and we'll see you in the next video.